Hey guys, I'm Noel.
And I'm Joel,
And welcome to Twin Gizmos.
where we shine light on cool gadgets. And it'll just go up.
It's a silicone popcorn.
Let's see.
Brother, we got a package.
All right.
You know what time it is?
What time is it?
It's gadget time.
All right.
Yeah, so go ahead. He's gonna unbox the package today. It's actually gonna be a silicone popcorn popper. Okay, so let him pull it out. We'll talk.
Give it to me like.
It's a really cool popper. Microwave popcorn popper.
Oh, that's nice. Hold on. Let me just, there. Here it is.
Anyway, so it's a silicone popcorn popper, family size. It's very soft, but it's microwave safe, dishwasher safe.
Oh, it's real soft.
Can you feel it? See how cool that is? Alright, so I'm gonna open it up. I can show you the tool. Anyway, comes with the instructions right there.
Wow, it's so soft, but
Yeah, it's a silicone
I'm
grade.
sure it's very durable.
Yes, it's durable.
Where is it? Who makes it? It's Zulay Kitchen.
Yeah, Zulay kitchen. And they come in different colors. So it's a variety of colors and stuff. And the best part is, watch, look at this. It's collapsible for easy storage. Comes with the lid. Look at this.
Woohoo! Awesome.
Look at that. Look at how cool that is.
Let me try that. Oh, that is so neat.
Anyway, so it's easy cleanup. Very, it's dishwasher safe. Look at that. Look how soft and stuff it is. Look how great it looks. We're actually gonna put some popcorn in it and show you guys how it works. Okay, we're gonna put some popcorn in it. You know, kind of eyeball it. Put it in. And there's also markings right here where you can actually measure your popcorn for each layer. So I'm gonna put them in like that. And I'm gonna put the lid on.
And then go right into the microwave.
Yep, then we're gonna put it in the microwave.
I'll do it. Oh God, another gadget. Let me move it out of the way. Two minutes.
2 minutes later.
Ready? That's a nice looking popcorn.
That is
delicious.
Oh, that is beautiful popcorn. Look how fluffy. Then you can just add some salt and pepper. Great popcorn. And it makes in 2 minutes. You know what? There's not even any kernels on the bottom. It pops it off. Wow. I really like it. I love it.
I'm gonna give it a twin up.
Nice. 2 twins up. Hey, if you like this product, click the link below in the description and get yourself one.
And remember, if it's cool, we got you.
Come back and see us.